And we've seen that, like Euro USD, for example. It trades, it sits in this range forever, breaks out. Everyone's thinking it's going to the range low, and then it just returns to the range EQ.
Yeah.
And it's like, okay, what do? You just not sit in that trade and wait for the EQ? Okay, you probably look for a fractal range inside of there that you then look to trade. So the pros for me, right, are you can manage the trade, the trade on it's basically multiple time frame. Because it's fractal, you can get into a low time frame trade. There's a con to that, is that it's more risky.
Yeah.
You can get into a higher time frame trade. They're higher probability, but again, they're wider, so they're more swing trades, right? You can't trade them on more futures assets. It's more like low leverage products that you would look to trade. So it's multiple time frame. So it suits both traders. Some traders I get come to me and go, "Okay, I got a real job. I don't, I can't be at the market all time every day." Well, the model works on a higher time frame. I took a Bitcoin short based on literally the daily chart. I didn't look at anything else, just the daily chart. And I took that and it ran minus 20%.
So if you necessarily can't be active during that time window because of the fractal nature of it, it's still not a problem.
Yeah.
You just take that viewpoint higher.
Yeah.
And therefore able to swing trade / position trade.
Correct. Yeah. Ultimately, like I said, I subscribe to market making theory. I really believe that the market just delivers into 50% of ranges and re-delivers into a 50% of another range. And sometimes that won't hold and it will just go lower. And it's a higher time frame range all the way on the left, right? I built a model around just grabbing that 50% to 50%. And that's all I need. And if I do that on a lower time frame, I can look for a trade most days. Not every day is a trading day, of course, just like everybody, but I can look for that trade most days. And if it's managed correctly, I will most likely get at minimum a break-even trade or some sort of profit. And if prices vary, I'm grabbing that reversal based on that confirmation and price just reruns the high, it will be a loss. But statistically over time, it's profitable. And that's, you only get that from doing the reps, like we said.